Alright, lesson 5, okay? You need to build your leads list. Alam nyo, hindi ko ito makakalimutan in one of my clients in real estate that told me, Carl, the most important asset, and by the way, this client of mine, hindi mahirap to ha, mayamang tao to, marami itong mga properties, malalaki yung bahay. Sa US kasi acres by acres yung property. Nako, pinakita niya sa akin yung picture before, talagang sky is the langit. Ang haba ng property, ang layo, hindi ko makita yung dulo. Ganun to kayaman. But amidst all of those properties he owns, amidst all the money he has, ang gaganda ng kotse ng taong to. Meron siyang Acura na Honda, meron siyang Porsche, ang gaganda ng kotse, meron siyang pick-up na maganda. I think it's a Chevrolet na pick-up. All of those, para sa kanya, ang pinaka-valuable at pinaka-magandang asset na meron siya is yung leads list niya. Okay? Kung pwede, in fact, yung leads list niya naka-encrypted pa talaga. Naka-encrypted para walang makakanakaw kasi it is worth multi-millions. Millions and millions over. Why? Because that leads list is where his true wealth lies. Kaya bakit tayo, ang importante sa atin yung post, importante yung pera. Guys, leads list ang pinaka-importanting asset na pwedeng magkaroon ang isang real estate agent. Tandaan nyo yan. Okay? So, i-build natin araw-araw. Okay? Una, get leads from your circle of friends. Pag-usapan natin yun. Pangalawa, you can get leads by posting and doing stories every day. That is why, among the habits you have to learn is to post daily and to do 5 frames of stories daily. Kasi nagbi-build yan. Mas maraming tao nakakita sa mga post mo, and the more you post, the more consistent you post, the more people that Facebook will show your post onto. Another thing is get leads by asking for help. Ask help from your friends or acquaintances or people you see to help you be able to get more clients. Hindi masama mag-ask ng help. Malaki pong tulong ang mag-ask ng help sa sales. Another thing is join online groups but don't post your listings there. Okay? Baka naman kasi nag-join ka lang para mag-post. I hope that you join groups, hindi lang po yung mga selling groups mga hobby groups or groups na may connection kayo. Like yung sa school nyo, like yung sa work ninyo, or sa circle of friends, sa barangay, join those. Because that way, you will be able to get more potential leads to be part of your valuable leads list. Okay? Another thing is by attending events. Join those parties. Join those Christmas parties. Palapit na ang Pasko. Join those events so that you will be able to find new people and get new leads. And finally, get more leads by constantly improving yourself. Alam mo, bilib ako sa'yo because nag-join ka ng training na to. But mas bibilib ako sa'yo if you do your best to improve yourself. Read a book. Sa journal natin, 1 to 5 pages every day. Diba? Instead of doing YouTube sa mga bagay na nakakatawa lang, try to learn a new skill. Okay? In Facebook, try to view more of those lessons about sales. From influencers. Pero piliin nyo lang hindi lahat ng influencers tama. Okay? From influencers and successful people. And motivate yourself daily. Okay? So you have to make sure that you have a leads list document then. Both printed and online. So you can use Google Sheets for that, or you can print out a copy. Meron tayo dyan exactly sa journal mo. Ilista mo na yung mga leads mo. Somewhere there, meron tayong leads list dyan. Pwede mong ilista manually. Okay? I-update mo yan araw-araw. Ganun to ka-importante. So ngayon, ang activity natin, i-fill up mo na yung mga leads mo sa leads list dyan sa journal mo. And once you're done, as much information as possible. And by the way, before mo itong i-off, make sure na nakalista yan using a pencil. Bakit? Because maybe you need to change details there. Maybe you need to update things. So pencil helps. Okay? Gamit ka ng lapis. Hindi naman ganun kamahal yung lapis. Baka meron yung anak mo. So, gamitin mo na lang yan. And once you're done, you can proceed to the next module. So, see you on the next one.